Good morning, students. This is class 8 science, lesson 4, metals and non-metals. In our last class, we have studied about reaction of metals with oxygen. Reactions of how do metals react with oxygen. In today's class, we'll study reactivity of metals with water. How do metals react with water? See, you can see on the screen, metal plus water will give you metallic oxide plus hydrogen. And this metallic oxide plus water will give you metal hydroxide. So we can say metal when reacts with oxygen forms metallic oxide, and this metallic oxide when reacts with water it forms metal hydroxide. Metals react with water to form metal oxide or metal hydroxide with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is liberated. Different metals react with water at different temperature. Different metals, the rate of reactivity of all metals is different. In case the reaction takes place at ordinary temperature, metal hydroxide is formed. And if the reaction occurs at higher temperature, metal oxide is formed. Okay? See, metals such as sodium and potassium react quite violently with water at ordinary temperature. The reaction is quite violent. In case of potassium, reaction with water is so vigorous that the hydrogen gas evolved catches fire. See, sodium 2Na plus H2O will give you 2NaOH plus hydrogen gas. The temperature rises and this hydrogen catches fire. In the last class also I have told you that sodium and potassium that's why they are stored in water. Potassium plus water, potassium hydroxide, and again hydrogen gas is liberated. Calcium reacts with cold water at room temperature and the reaction is less vigorous. Ca plus twice H2O will give you CaOH whole twice plus hydrogen. The heat evolved is not sufficient for hydrogen gas to catch fire. However, calcium starts floating in water because the bubbles of hydrogen gas formed stick to the surface of calcium and help it float. Reaction is less violent with calcium. Magnesium reacts with steam at high temperature to form magnesium oxide with the evolution of hydrogen gas. So, all metals reacts with water to liberate hydrogen gas. Mg plus H2O gives you MgO plus H2. Magnesium reacts after a minute and starts floating due to the bubbles of hydrogen gas sticking to its surface. But magnesium reacts slowly with hot water at ordinary temperature to form magnesium hydroxide with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Magnesium plus water give you magnesium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Zinc reacts only with steam. Aluminium forms an oxide on reaction with steam, but the oxide makes a protective layer called corundum over the metal surface and thereby prevents further reaction. Then iron when heated strongly reacts with steam to form iron oxide with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Copper, gold, silver, lead and platinum do not react with water and with steam. In our next class, we will study reaction of metal with acids. Thank you. Have a nice day.